this is what? Nothing but nothing. Look.
Yeah, there's nothing there. Exactly. It's all just dead coring.
What do you want to call this?
That's coring in there. And this is probably why I kept coming back, actually. Because this is all wet and shitty still. And when things freeze, they expand, which causes the cracking. So it's probably even a little bit more wet down
underneath all
bottom.
Of this.
So, yeah, that's pretty toasted. So, I don't know. In the end, probably what we'll do is like drill some holes too, and just throw a couple lamps on it, get it to dry out more. Drill some holes all over it. Yeah. This is all toast. Go ahead, like this video, subscribe if you want to see how this goes. It's quite the repair. Actually, this is turning into. Thanks again. Thanks again for watching.